Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Xbox controller is not working on FC25. And it really doesn't matter if you have the game on EA app or Steam, right? So the first thing what I suggest you to do here is to disable all the peripherals. So for example, if you connected some VR, your racing steering wheels, or more than one controller, and your controller is not working, try to disable all the peripherals and then just leave the controller that you're using and restart the game and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, if you have the game on EA app, first what you need to do here is to click on the title, go to manage, view properties, open folder, and copy path of the folder, right? Then what you need to do here is to go to Steam, press add a game on the bottom left, then select add a non-Steam game. Then you need to press browse, paste the path, and then add FC25exe file, right? And then add selected programs, right? And then what you need to do here next is to press on the Steam icon on top left, go to settings. Once you're in the settings, go to controller, and then make sure guide button focus Steam is enabled. If you're using Xbox controller, make sure this option is enabled as well. And then if you're not using PlayStation controller, just select not enabled. Then what you need to do here next is to scroll down until you see idle gamepad shutdown timeout. Make sure it is on never, because on default it will be on 15 minutes. So this means after 15 minutes your controller will shut down, right? So go ahead and do so. And after that, go to Steam and then launch the game from Steam if you even play on EA app, right? And look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, then right click on FC25 here and then select not default settings but disable Steam input. If disable Steam input is not working, enable Steam input. And these options, one of the three, definitely will work, right? And yeah, that's pretty much it. And your controller, your Xbox controller, should be working. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.